Okay, wasn't planning on recording today because I normally don't trade on Fridays, but the market was just looking too good. I was editing the video from yesterday and I just decided to look at the market real quick. And yeah, I'm in a trade right now. So let's go ahead and jump on the charts and I'm going to talk you guys through why I actually took this trade. So let's go. So let's start with the weekly. So weekly, we're obviously bullish and we are on a bullish weekly candle. Looking at the lower time frame on the daily, we kind of look like we are pushing down. Well, at least we're pushing down, but now we're coming back up. We are obviously in a bullish trend here because we have a lower low, higher high. We had a gap form here, and it's using that gap as a demand. So obviously there's a gap. We have a push. So let's drop down to the 4 hour. So now on the 4 hour, we're definitely bullish. As you can see, we have bullish market structure because we came back down and then we pushed back up. So with us slowing down right here, I'm expecting it to continue to push up. Let's go to the daily. The daily, same thing. We were coming down and then we started to push back up, and we have gaps here that were formed that were came down. It obviously tried to come down to fill this gap, but it's just too strong. We're too bullish. So it ended up coming back up, breaking, and it left a gap when it did that. So we had to come back down, fill this, and then now we are starting to sit up here to where we can push again. That's what I'm expecting. So coming down on the 30, we had a push down and then came back up, didn't break this low, and it looks like it wants to push back up again. So let's drop down to the 15. Same thing. We had a break of structure, push up, came back down, tapped into this gap, but it didn't even tap all the way into the box, and it pushed up again. Then same thing, came down, had a bullish push because we were back down in the downtrend. Let's go to the 5 minute. You can see it a little bit better. So we came back down to a downtrend, came down, filled this gap, pushed up again. So we're obviously bullish even on a smaller time frame. So I came down to the 5. I seen we were in a downtrend, coming back down into this demand down here. And once we tapped the demand, we started to push up, and it was 7:55 here. So I decided to just take break of the candle if we were to push back up again, and using this zone as our like safety net basically. So I put my stops right up under the zone, and we tapped, and now we are flying once again. And we might even make a setup off of our trade because we have a break of the candle. Break of the trend. We had a trend break right here, so we were on a downtrend. We had a trend break, or even if we use this, so right here we had a trend break. We had a trend break right here, but obviously we don't trade this early, and we are already looking for buys. So I had a trend break right here, and then it pushed up, came back down, tapped into this demand, and showed that it didn't want to be in it. It wicked, and we had a slight push up, came back down, came back up, and we broke this high. So once again, we are showing signs that we want to go up. So we just have multiple confluences showing that we should be pushing up today. So I decided to get in with kind of a light risk. I think I risked like 400. Um, so yeah, but I don't know where. Let me see. Let me get the buy. 5 micros. Yesterday we were risking fucking 12, bro. I don't know why I was risking so much yesterday. Stop loss, yeah, it's like 4 and change. TP, if we hit TP3, it'll be 1200, but we could come as far as like 2 grand. So I'm gonna put it like here. TP, yeah, like 2 grand, a little bit more. That's cool. All right. So now let me mark these out. All right. So, oh snap! I just realized my camera wasn't on that entire time. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish editing this other video while this trade runs. So I shall be back. Bro, I wish I was recording, but out of nowhere, it just pushed down so fast and then came back up. Bro, I wish I was recording for that. I don't know why I wasn't recording for that. I wish I was recording for that, bro. Oh my goodness. Bro, it shot down so fast. I swear I wish I was recording for that, bro. Bro, why wasn't I recording for that? Oh my god, I wish I was recording. That is why I normally don't trade Fridays, because only weird shit like that happens on Fridays, bro. And I swear I just moved my stop loss. I just moved it because I was like, bro, Fridays be moving walkie. Let me just give myself a little space just in case. And that shit shot down and then went right back up so fast, bro. I tried to hit record because I just looked over at it and I was like, what the fuck? I was like, why is it pushing down like that? Bro, that shit shot down so fast, bro. But TP1 just got hit. Bro, oh my goodness, I wish I was recording for that. Shit. Gold moving like that on a Friday? Shit. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just sit and let this play out while I'm recording because it might do some crazy shit and I want to catch it on camera because that was wild. That just happened. But we're approaching TP3. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't even think about it, bro. Don't even think about it. Don't you dare do that shit to me. Come on, bro. We got targets to hit. Come on, fam. We got targets to hit, fam. No, we going back. Cause you ain't about to do me like that. Bro, gold just giving out big candles back to back. You just hand them out like that? That's how we moving on Fridays, bro? You just handing out big candles like that back to back? Come on, give it to me. Come on, I'll take it. Okay, guys, so we're still in the trade. I think once we break above this zone, which it looks like it wants to do right now, we should be good here. Because this is the 1 minute confirmation, so this would be good for like another entry, and then you put your stops under the swing low here. So if it breaks this, we should definitely be good, and we shouldn't have to worry about anything. But we just have to wait for it to break and close above this zone here, which it looks like we're doing right now. So we should be good here. I could probably put my stop loss at TP1 and let it run. But we're gonna wait and see what happens. We're gonna wait. Oh, I didn't even realize I was still recording. But so this trade here, we just hit TP3, but it looks like this trade may be able to. It just formed like another new setup inside, so we may be able to just hold this and just close whenever we feel good with it. Like we see something we don't like. Because we're above TP3 now. I feel like as long as we don't break under here, we should be okay. Because this is a 15-minute candle that just started. And 30 got 15 minutes to close. So this 15-minute candle is important. It is very important. Because if it breaks under, if it breaks down, it means that it's going to start pushing down because it's bearish after hitting our TP3. Because normally after it hits our TP3, it starts to reverse. So we're going to definitely watch this 15-minute candle here. See what the 5 minutes doing. The 1 minute. So on the 1 minute, we need to break this right here. We need to break this right here on the 1 minute. Come on, keep pushing, baby. Break that shit, bro. Once you break it, bro, you can shoot to the moon. To the moon. Bro, this 9:30 candle's cooking me. Okay, this is a trade right here too. Low key, where I have my stop loss is a trade. So TP5 should get smacked. Just saying. Based on this, TP5 should get smacked. Honestly, it should. It should be good. TP5 should be getting smacked. Because this is a trade right here too. I mean, realistically, I could have closed this trade and would have been out already. But I just know it wants to go all the way up there. So I want to wait it out. And because it's a Friday, I'm willing to hold it to TP. Because it's not a normal trading day for me. Normally, I wouldn't trade today. So because this is just extra money, essentially, it should be flying, bro. There's no news today, huh? Friday at 8:30. Oh, that was that crazy candle. 8:30, and then 10 o'clock there was also news, but it didn't really push us up that much. We should be flying. Break it, punch through it, keep going, just fly. You can fly. Once this zone just lets go, we'll be fine. But it's holding us. Let us go. Stops is right up under 1 to 3 now. We just need to keep going. This zone is fucking us up, bro. This zone has been holding us like non-stop. We can't fight this fucking zone. There we go. Bro, you playing? Just smack TP5. Bro, I'm about to just close because you playing. Yeah, I'm closing because you playing. 2 bans for the day. Wow. Oh, yeah, I was about to say, you can go down now. Don't try to go up now, bitch. Okay, guys, so we're going to go ahead and close the video here. We did end up hitting overall TP5, but I'm definitely happy with where we got out on the market. We made more than a 1 to 3, so anything more than a 1 to 3 is good enough for me. So we made about 2,100 today. Yep, 21 and change. So overall we're up like $5 grand on the account or something like that, or a little bit more than $4 grand. So we'll be back next week. Hopefully we can get a payout, and yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and remember, stay unplugged. Deuces.